So here is the Converse sneakers. It looks like just imported from Japan, but I bought it from Nike man. So let's unbox it. Actually, there is no reason to unbox, but still making this video because I've already wear these sneakers from past 2 weeks, and I didn't want the time to unbox and stuff. So I really wanted to show it to you and make a video. So let's go. So I hope you see it. I hope it's visible on the camera. And these are the. Here is the sneaker. Look, it got this synthetic shine type of texture on it. It is not leather. First I thought it is leather. It is very unique sneaker. I have never seen anything like this, man. When it comes to the price, I will reveal it in the description. So what is this? Oh, I'm already wearing white socks with it. I don't usually wear white socks, but for this sneaker I bought the white one. So let it aside. So I hope you can see it, the shine on it, and I will show you after wearing it after I unbox both the sneakers. So here's a sneaker, man. Look, whew, it looks like a volcano. Here's the Converse All Star logo. It is the Converse Supercourt sneaker, which used to come in the 70s. So they relaunched them with a bigger sole. All the Converse sneakers had that strip in the front, but it is all white, so which increase the elegance. I personally like it. I don't like that strip, and its laces are a little wider, which you can see. And here is the Converse logo, which is all white. I personally like the design of the sneaker. As you can see, it is only white and black. There is no other like other colors added. It's just white and black. When you wear it, everyone is looking your feet. And from inside, you can see it has got this purplish shade. If it is visible, yeah, it is visible now. So here it is. It looks lovely, man. I really love it. It's worth buying. And it has got this synthetic and shine type of texture on it. Firstly, I thought it is leather, but before buying, I thought it is leather, but it is not. But still, it looks lovely and feels lovely. And one special thing about this is it has got little bit more room on the top. If you compare it to the other sneakers, like other Converse sneakers, they are like very low from here, so it is not that comfortable, but this one is really comfortable. And when I wear it, I will show you after wearing it. When I wear it, it feels like I'm just walking on the clouds. Seriously, it is so soft and comfy. And here is another one, so I'll just keep it here. Let me show you after wearing it, but before that I will unbox the other one. Here is the box. So here is the real deal, man. The man shoe. It is my favorite one, actually. I usually wear it mostly every day. And here we go. Here we go. This is the manly stuff, man. It is made of leather. It is textured as crocodile leather. Let me show it to you. It looks so raw. Like in today's generation, in today's time, finding this kind of shoe is very difficult, man. I have seen it in a store, so I decided to buy it, but it took me 2 months to like save money and all. I really like this bull logo on here, which is going on here, man. See, and its texture is so smooth. It is so thin also. It is so flexible also. Like it is very comfortable when you wear it. I wear it with black pants and black shirt. I wear full black outfits mostly. And the zip is YKK, which is world's best zip, which never gets damaged. It is made in Japan, YKK brand if you don't know. And also there is a socks inside. let keep it aside, and I will also show you wearing it, how it looks. I actually wore it 4 to 5 times, more than that. So I'm making this unbox video a little late, but it's worth buying. I'm happy with my collection, man. Now I have got one casual sneaker and one formal shoes. I will buy one more casual sneaker, but I don't need it right now, but I will add it to the collection. Surely. See, when you wear it, that texture really comes out. It is so soft. It feels like real crocodile skin. So here it goes. I'm wearing the slippers. They are so comfy. Let me remove them first, then I'll wear it. I'm wearing blue cargo pants with it. I like wearing cargo pants with my sneakers. Let me wear another one. Look how beautiful it is, man. How beautiful it looks. It is perfect for daily wear. See? See? It looks so beautiful on your feet. It is my best sneakers till now. Uh, I'm happy with it. So when you pull up the zip, the feeling you get, I cannot explain to you. Let me wear the another one quickly. And now the best part, this zip, man. The, here's the real deal. Let me add a little bit of shine. I got it free. Actually, they gave me one, but I got another one. So I'll apply it. The sneaker. It will add more shine. It is the conditioner for the boots. Every man should have one boot in their collection. See, this is the real deal. It looks so elegant, man. Every time I wear it, my confidence boosts by 200%. See, you know, it has some kind of like bubble in the sole, which give me comfort. Like when I do this, there is a bubble inside. I hope you see it now. It's amazing. Let me do it in vlogging style. I love holding camera like this. So this was the video, and that was my new collection. And I have more sneakers. Actually, my roommate owned them, and it is more worth than 70,000 rupees. So I will unbox them very soon in next video maybe. So if you like my video, subscribe, share it with your family. Actually, I want to complete my 1,000 subscribers. Right now I'm at 710 actually. No, 709. Yeah, it is exact. So I hope I'll get it soon. So that was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you guys. Stay healthy.